Hello everyone! My name is Sabrina Melodieuse and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are announcing a wonderful collaboration. Yes, it's true, a collaboration with Ryan. And I'm going to show you the name of her channel because I always struggle to say that name. So anyway, here it is. It shouldn't be hard to say, right? But it's a tongue twister for me. So I do struggle. I am so sorry, Ryan. Anyway, so a really exciting collaboration between myself and Ryan. And so for this, we are also announcing a brand new tutorial coming soon. So I have just finished recording the tutorial bit. So now I'm just waiting for Ryan to give me her go-ahead, and then we can release the tutorial for you guys. So Ryan approached me with a wonderful idea, and would you know that as she approached me, I was working on something quite similar. The idea was similar, but it was for a different purpose. So that will come to you soon as well, and I hope you will enjoy it. However, this idea, she came to me, and I thought, wow, this is amazing. She showed me pictures of an item, and she said, could you do something similar to that? And I said, I can try, and I think I've succeeded. So the idea was that she wants an item that's quite versatile. You can use it for several things, you know. So one day you could use it as a blanket or a rug, or you could use it as a bag or a whole doll. You know, so this is quite a neat idea, and her idea was more specific. She said it's really when you go out, so if you go to the park or if you go to the beach, and she wanted some kind of fillet going on so that when you go to the beach, the sun can go through the holes. So I thought, okay, this is a nice idea and nice challenge, and I'm always up for challenges and, you know, new projects and whatever. And let's face it, working with Ryan, it is such an honor and such a pleasure. So thank you, Ryan. Thank you. I'm so happy. So now let's discuss the item I will show you, but obviously it's really hard to show it all. So working on the pattern itself, I remember many years ago, I did a circular blanket for my mom, and I worked it from my head. And when she received the blanket, she loved it, and she especially loved the swirly bit. When it is worked in a round, the swirly bit, she said it's really quite effective. So, and she puts it on her bed now, and she loves it. Sometimes she has it when she watches TV, but she really enjoyed it. So let me show you the swirly bit that I'm talking about. So remember that this is quite versatile. This is a blanket or a rug and turned into a bag or a whole doll. And I will explain that in a little moment. Okay, now is the time to show you exactly what this item is, and then we will talk about how this is going to work. Okay, so here's my item. This one is quite big. It is 36 inches in diameter, and that's why I'm going to struggle to show it to you. So I'm going to show you some of it now, and then after that, I'm going to put some pictures of it finished. So I hope you will enjoy that. So here it is, and watch the swirl. Do you see the swirl? My mother really likes that bit. So all around the edges, here is some cord that I have added, and those will work as handles. There's the swirl. So before I go any further, I will pause here and I will show you some pictures. including Ryan's work in progress, which, by the way, is amazing because she's using beautiful yarns. And I think she said she's using 2 different yarns and holding 2 strands together, and it's working out so beautiful. I honestly can't wait to see your finished item, Ryan, because so far the colors are just amazing. Okay, so I'm going to pause and you're going to see a series of pictures, my finished item and Ryan's work in progress. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the pictures and I've honestly had so much fun with it. So how this is going to work is, you see here where you've got the cords. When you want to put it into a bag, you've got 2 different options. Now, if you just grab 2, when you lay that flat, you grab 2 ropes from the opposite sides and then you just bunch it all up like that and it becomes a bag. Now my issue is with that it's quite long. You see, it comes quite low, and if you put some stuff inside then it might come down a little lower. So for this reason I am going to pick up 4 strands of that rope. And let's note immediately before I forget that if you don't have any cord, you can just do an I-cord yourself or a chain, a series of chains, maybe using 2 or 3 strands. So it makes a strong cord, and then you just put it all around the blanket. So I'm going to pick up 4 instead of 2. And you will see that it will work out much better as a bag. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. There, you see? And then you just put it on your shoulder like so. And it is much shorter, but it is looking lovely. And I chose this particular color because Ryan said she wanted to be a beach-themed bag. So I thought this is perfect for a beach, right? This color reminds me of the water and how it goes. And sometimes water, the beach, the sea is quite moody at times. And you will see different shades of blues. So one day you might be able to see a very clear water where you can see everything, all the pebbles and everything. Some days the water is a little bit darker, and some days it's very, very dark indeed whilst there is a storm. So for that reason, I thought that yarn was perfect. So that's it, really. I cannot tell you how excited I am to be doing this collaboration with wonderful Ryan. So Ryan, you are wonderful, like I keep telling you. So now I'm just waiting for your go ahead and your final pictures and maybe final notes, because we will be releasing a pattern as well. And so that's it. I hope you will have enjoyed this video, and I hope you will join us all for this particular wonderful item, which will be a blanket or a rug / bag or hold all. So thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone. It's still recording. I'll have to cut that. I'll have to cut that.